Hi guys, I'm here in my warehouse and I wanted to show you something about our tripods and how convenient they are. We're going to make a paella today outside of our warehouse, and first thing that you have to do to have the process go smoothly is level the pan on the burner. And so this is our reinforced red tripod, and it has a leveling device within it. So each leg has this thumb screw, and what you do is I just put the pan on top of the burner. Sometimes I just put the level on the burner, sometimes I put it on the pan, but in this case I have the pan on and I put a level on, and I'm just going to level it to make sure that the pan is, there we go. Did you get that? Did you get that? See, it was down, and I'm just going to push it up a little bit here, and now I've got a perfect level. And then I just tighten it down with the thumb screw, and I do that with each leg until I have it exactly level. And the reason this is important is because once you have your hot pan on the burner and you pour the liquid in, and then you see that, oh, it's actually sloshing to one side, that is not the time that you want to start leveling the burner. And believe me, I've done that a few times and it's not fun. So try to remember before you start to get your whole thing set up. If you have a level, great. If you don't have a level, a little trick is to just pour some water in the pan or some oil and see if it goes to one direction, and then you just lift it up until it pools in the center. And then you'll be good to go. Make sure you don't move the burner once you get it level, because if you have an uneven surface like we do, every time you move the burner to a different place, it's gonna be off level again. I hope this has been helpful, and you can get all your supplies at paellapans.com. Thanks for watching.